In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Circle.so, a platform that can help you build and grow your own online community space in 2025. We'll walk through each step clearly, so even if you're completely new to Circle.so, you'll be able to follow along easily. Let's begin by heading to the Circle.so website. Simply open your favorite web browser and type in the URL or search for Circle.so. Once the page is loaded, look for the option that says Start Free Trial. This trial will allow you to explore the platform and get a feel for what it has to offer before you commit. Remember, trials are a fantastic way to ensure that a service meets your needs without any risk. After clicking on the Start Free Trial button, you'll be prompted to create an account if you haven't already. If you're new, you'll need to type in some personal details like your name and email address. These details are important as they will help Circle.so tailor the experience to your preferences. Keep in mind, filling in these details is straightforward, but make sure the information is accurate to avoid any future issues. Next, you'll see an option to agree with Circle.so's terms and conditions. It's always good practice to read through these so you understand your rights and responsibilities when using their service. Once you're comfortable, go ahead and agree to proceed. After agreeing, click on Sign Up to create your account. If you've already signed up before, just click the Sign In button and enter your credentials to access your account. Now that you're logged in, you'll need to decide on a name for your community. This is an exciting step because your community name is the first impression for potential new members. So choose something that captures the essence of your group or the niche you plan to serve. Once you've decided, enter it into the provided field. Circle.so will also ask how you heard about them. This step is optional, but providing this feedback can help them improve their visibility and services. Hit the Next button to proceed with your setup. You'll encounter a few more customizable options, such as selecting your salary range and identifying what you hope to achieve with Circle.so. These choices may help tailor platform features to better suit your needs. You'll also have the chance to select any templates that match your goals. Feel free to choose as many as you find relevant, as templates can help make the setup process smoother and offer some inspiration for your community's layout and functions. Finally, click on Finish to complete your setup process. Congratulations, you now have the framework of your very own online community ready to go. And that's it, you're all set up with Circle.so. You can now dive in and start engaging with your community. Remember, consistent interaction and thoughtful content will be key to growing and nurturing your group. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy building your community with Circle.so.